Okay, so once again, the equation that related those was V naught. And we're going to use this next to talk about some double reciprocal plots and inhibition modes. So Vmax is proportional to V naught, and so is the substrate concentration, and then Km and substrate on the denominator here. So the problem with trying to model inhibition with this equation is that it's not linear. But if we take the reciprocal of each side, or we say 1 over V naught equals the denominator, Km plus substrate, over the numerator, Vmax times substrate, this can become a linear equation. So now we have one term on the bottom, and you can simplify things. You can say 1 over initial rate equals Km over Vmax times substrate plus substrate over Vmax times substrate. Now notice that this is going to simplify, right? Substrate cancels out there. I can further expand this and say 1 over V naught, 1 over the initial rate, is Km over Vmax out front times 1 over substrate plus 1 over Vmax. This is now linear because it's like y, dependent variable, 1 over initial rate will plot here. And then x, right, independent variable, will plot as inverse substrate concentration.